back of the length, hard into the wicket. It just looks like there's a little bit in there, Sikanda.
1 for 1. Again, trying to push for 2. He's just played with soft hands. That's a lot of ground that has to be covered. Onside, and he's got most of his runs there. That's nicely done through the line. He's got a lot of height onto it and just lands between the two. Fielder.
Quick ground cover. Shimi's down the wicket. Straight hands. Just maybe just a lack of pace in the wicket. We've seen a little bit of evidence that it's just holding up a little bit.
Just a single. Oh,
attempting the slow ball. Not the best of cricket there from bowler, keeper, but a valiant effort, and that's 4 wides. And something like that can just ignite in innings, just creates a little bit of momentum for Pakistan, getting them closer to that target they would have in mind.
Got his body behind the ball. Again, high on the bat. Lands safe, just a single.
Wickets. That one just looked like it kicked through again, hitting Rizwan on the gloves. But
and the good part, or the different, what we've seen.
Full go. He has had to be a little bit circumspect. Heave. Top half of the bat just loops over a point.
He'll be bowled again. Got to be a little more.
Just falling away a little bit there. Sliding down the leg side over balls. And that causes everything just to slide down the leg side.
In the air, just high in the air, will take some catching. The glove man, the best man to be under it. And he gets it this time. 7 down, as we could see this was coming. The runs or the strike is not being rotated. And Nawaz trying a little too much out of his own range. Again, that extra bounce gets another wicket. And Pakistan are 7 down now for 124 after 18.
New.
Back of a length, looks like that's a plan from Zimbabwe. Not going to go full to Rizwan yet. Back of a length seems to be doing it.
Nicely done by Rizwan, down on one knee. Two. Just clears the 30-yard circle. Just opening the face, slicing it over point. Should get. Oh, that's a good stop. That's
brilliant effort. Both guys, one hand and flicks it to slow ball, straighter. Sounded like a clean strike, and that clears the fielder. Cow corner. Probably should have been on the fence. Bowler not too happy with that. Executed.
Again, just opening the face. This is good batting from Rizwan. He knows that the fielders.
Exquisite cricket shot by Rizwan. Look at the extension. Great hands. Knew exactly what he wanted to do. And looks to the leg side. Beautiful shot. Scoops it over square leg. And that takes
pretty in that position. How deep he is in the crease. And he just used the length. Knew it.
Early wickets important for Pakistan.
Oh, for sure.
Big appeal. Mostly it's the inside edge. Confirmation.
Nice shot from the bat and gets Zimbabwe on their way with that boundary. Nicely in position.
Beauty. And it is stuck on the crease.
Whoa, what a ball.
Yes. Sometimes Just closes the face when he's trying to play through the offside. You can see that of the bat on the ball.
Yeah.
Beautiful shot off the back foot. And nicely staying on top of the bounce.
No.
He's worked hard to get himself back in the side.
Yes.
Was just creating a bit of a problem there. Wow, the sound of the bat. Brilliant. Looked effortless from Wesley on that occasion.
Wow. This time he goes through the onside. I don't think it's going to go for 4, or will it? It does.
He was just talking about the options that Babar Azam has with the ball. Pakistan's
in the air, and I think just falling short. Wesley Mandewere just getting a thick inside edge, and I think
they had Rizwan when he was on 13. That's in the air. That should be taken. The captain himself, Babar Azam. That's an action replay of how Pakistan lost their first few wickets. High on the bat, short ball worked, trying to clear mid-off, nowhere behind, and Zimbabwe lose their first.
International debut for Zimbabwe, just 19 years of age. That's T20 cricket. In the air, and he's gone. First delivery from Marumani in international cricket, and he's gifted the Pakistan captain a very simple catch at mid-on.
It was a nothing shot, really. They haven't really taken anything out of what happened when Pakistan was batting. Again, slightly short, wide outside. Zimbabwe really needs to replicate how they bowl.
Well, the problem Zimbabwe's had, innings that hadn't started as well as it could have. Swept away, plays that stroke well. As Craig Irvin gets himself a boundary.
Yeah, good shot with the spin. Yeah, and beats that short fine.
No.
Bit of
Wait. Yes.
quick single. Pitching outside the leg stump. Over a go, Seconder, and saying Zimbabwe's got to go about their batting like they did with their bowling. They've got a plan for the middle, maybe one for the end. Then let's stick to that. As you said, he's still got the opportunity to get his hat-trick whenever he comes back and would have wanted. Turned away by Craig Irvin.
Same length, a little bit shorter. Finds the outside edge again. Runs down to third man.
He has been the go-getter. Short ball offered, and what a strike by Kevin Hukanwe. Once again on the top of the bounce, off the back foot, and straight as an arrow towards point. Much needed boundary for Zimbabwe.
Yeah, finding the gap on the offside.
No. Another delivery right on the money. We have been talking about that total.
Raf going a little bit straighter to Kamakanwe there. Seems to be the line and length that Pakistan wants to bowl to him. We've noticed, just have a look at that front foot, just closes himself off a little bit. And generally that would mean that you'd fall over a bit and struggle with the straighter ones, especially good length deliveries. And he has missed out on a couple. Have a look at that front foot, crosses over the back foot when we talk about the train.
Once again, the half-tracker offer to the left-handed batsman.
Together.
Yeah, he needs to be watchful, especially against the googly of it. That is in the air, and opportunity once again remained in the air for Pakistan.
To keep your eye on the ball a bit longer. Another googly. Big swing. Keeper misses it as well. That's Pakistan spin bowlers. Another googly going straight downtown. Finds the gap.